Hi guys, I'm gonna be doing some little short video thingy. But I do have a guest. Come here. Don't talk. Just come here. Well, you can talk if you want. Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
So we're gonna be going up to my room, aren't we? So let's do this. Oh, we are in my room. Because as you can see, the lighting is kind of different. And yes, my light's back up. If you haven't seen that video where I knocked my light down, didn't I? If you haven't seen it, just click my channel down below and you'll see. It's called Pokemon card, mini Pokemon cards run through. Plus, this video's getting really messed up because of my speech. Plus, sword skills has gone wrong, and yeah, that's the part where it's gone wrong. I literally knocked the light down. But anyway, we are gonna just. Eva, what do you want to do? No, it's something else. Let's just think. Seriously, you don't know? What? Yeah, but we haven't done. Some of them we haven't done. Let's do a fidget spinner video then. So I don't know if you saw this in any of our videos, in any of my videos, but it's a Dan TDM fidget spinner. I think you saw it in one. I think you did. Wait. Eva, turn the lights on. Wait. Okay. The lights are now on, as you can see. The car looks like a fidget spinner. Wait. The car looks like one of those. Looks like.
Okay, Mum.
It looks like this fidget spinner. Look. I literally. Anyway, I'm gonna put this one back. And what the heck? Be quiet!
You're funny still. Can I show them this thing too? In the YouTube video at the end, okay?
Be quiet. Okay. Okay, they're quiet now. Okay, I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a toilet flushing. Stop that! Be quiet! Anyway, let's just do it, shall we? So, this fidget spinner can go quite fast. And by the way, I've got the golden edition, which I think that's the best fidget in the store. That I can see that there might be a diamond one by now. I don't know. I don't think there will. But anyway, this is just one of them. But now we just need to do this, and then it should be in there. Whoa! It's a Spider-Man fidget spinner. Okay. I'm gonna show you while I'm unboxing this. Oh, there you go. This is a lid. I don't think I really need to show you that, but yeah, this is the inside. The fidget spinner. And I'm going to show you how it spins. Oops, dropped it. And the back is just like a shiny red.
I see the back.
Look.
Oh, I never saw
it's a slimy wig. It's a shiny way.
So Erin, Henry, did you want to go for a...
Okay, now she's out. Let's spin it. I'm going to show you with at the back how it spins first. It's what? Not yet. So this is it spinning at the back. Actually looks pretty cool. Okay, this is the front.
Oh, there are lots of badges.
Yeah, I know. So I'm gonna, and I don't know. Whoa. Okay, I actually wanted to show you the middle that spins because it looks freaking awesome. It's like an optical illusion. Look at that.
And that's so good.
Yeah, I know. But well, Eva, my niece, she's right here.
Hello.
She really wanted me to involve this in her video. So, can you just hand it over, please? So, it's this little thingy.
It's a bit cool.
Yeah, I know. It has a zombie on it. And I'll show you what it does. So, I got to get
There's all sorts.
a really cool, a good view of this. Oh, look, the light's shining in it. So, you can do this. You can put the head in. You can put it really far. And you can put it like that. It's like an ice cream cone, look.
And you can make more. Show them everything else.
Okay, so you can go like that. And then you can like...
Put it in an ice cream cone.
Yeah, that's what I just said. You can...
No, make it into a little ice cream cone.
Yeah, you can make it like that.
Like a little ice cream cone.
But I wanna show you the coolest part. Oh, you can put it like this as well.
Told ya.
And so I want to show you something. So I'm gonna put this on my lap. Put it like this. Then it bounced. Did you see that? Look. It bounced. I promise I didn't throw that. I promise I didn't throw that. I just put it down here and let go.
It went in it.
I don't know. So anyway.
Right, let me check that quickly.
Anyway, with that out the way, I'm just gonna end this video. I already know this is at 7 minutes, and now it's at 8 minutes. Anyway, please subscribe, like, and comment. Turn on the notifications, which is the bell. Just scroll down and you'll see it right there. And if you see it and it doesn't have like little ringing signs outside of it, you have to click that, and then it should have little ring signs on it. So do that. But anyway, guys, goodbye. And you say goodbye, Eva?
Goodbye.
Goodbye.